Hello everyone, Aniket here. Today I am excited a lot to share a new feature that has been added to all the JetBrains softwares like PyCharm and IntelliJ. That is Code with Me. Super awesome. Why? Because you get the opportunity here to share your code with your friends. You as well as them together can work on this thing. Like, let's say you are stuck on a project, right? Now, earlier what we used to do, we used to share it on REPL or send it on WhatsApp or different things. Now, this is inside the editor itself. You can call them in. And seriously, you can even do voice call or video call. Of course, not recommended in general that we do voice calls over this, but in general how we can use it is, let's say you are on a phone call or even you can do a voice call. Like in general how I use it is, whenever I get stuck in this particular instance or any particular code, I share the link, and in general we talk usually not through this system. Usually we talk like on our phone or let's say on any other system. Again, you have this feature but not a lot of people will use it. The main thing that we will use here is that we together can change the code, and this is what we are going to discuss here, that how can we do this. So let's see how this feature can be used. Now of course there are some limits. You can just do 30 minutes in the community free version, and you can have up to 3 people working together. I think that's more than sufficient. So let's see how practically we can do this. So step number 1 is the top here. Can you see this Code with Me feature? In case you cannot see it, I'll just highlight it. 1 second. See this particular thing. Okay. So we need to click here, Code with Me. Cool. Now there is one very big suggestion here. Always create a new project first before sharing the link. Why? Because if there are a lot of files, all those files will go to the other person. Okay. So let's say you are working on a very big project with a lot of files. Don't use this. Create a new project, empty project, which will be only there. Like see, in this my project, I just have one file, main.py. So in general, we have a doubt usually with 1 or 2 files in general. So don't share the entire thing. Means of course for like privacy purposes also and other things also, in general, just share or create a new project and share that. That's one suggestion, very important thing. Okay. So we have to click here, and then we have to click on enable access and copy invitation link. Once we click on it, then we have multiple options. In general, of course, we will use edit files. So the people who will be connecting will have the access to change things. I'll do it. I have 2 systems here, one of my main system and one of my laptop. Okay. So the other laptop I will be using to connect. Cool. So I do not want voice call. I do not want video. I'll show it to you, but still I don't want that. Enable access. Yep. And see, it is creating a join link. Now you'll say where? See this at the bottom, creating join link. Hey, it created. Cool. Very quick. So I'll click here and it says copy invitation link. Yes, I'll copy it. Once I'll copy it, I can send it to the other person. Now how can you send it? On WhatsApp, on email, whatever. So simple, send the link and then I'll show you the next step. Now I sent this link to my other machine where it is saying waiting for host approval. Okay. So see, I have the option to accept it. So of course I'll accept it. Now once I accept it, I can see the other person joined. So the name of this PC is HM. Okay. So that's why it's saying this. Now I will be able to also make changes, and this guy, of course, the other person who might be in another country also will be also able to make the changes. Now let's try to do this. So see my hands. Right now I am using my particular thing. So I'm going to write, let's say print hello. And of course the other person will be like, hey, I also want to write something. So see, now I'm going to use my other machine. I'm here now and I'm going to write, let's say, well, not here. You can see it's changing in real time. So print I am the other machine. Yep, you are. And I can see, I wrote through this. So you can see here, using this method, 2 people can work together. Now see this, there is a limit also. This is one thing I wanted to show you. Here you could see, I'll just click on it again. There is a limit, 28 minutes, 3 minutes left. Can you see this? So in general, there is a limit, right? So we have 30 minutes, I think more than sufficient. And one secret, once you have 30 minutes over, you can share the link again. he will again get connected. End of the problem, right? So see, we both are able to work together, right? And yes, let's say the problem got solved. I'm happy. I'll run the program. Let's see what happens now. So you can see here, we are getting the output, right? Basic stuff. Of course, you know Python, JetBrains, IntelliJ. Of course, you'll know all the different things. You can use it anywhere. So super cool feature. Now, a small troubleshooting point which I wanted to give you. Let me show it to you. Now, it may happen that sometime your system might not connect and it says successfully connected and you are not able to connect on the other machine. This happened with me. So simple enough, and this will happen in the first time, okay? Click on this download and launch and then you'll be able to connect. This is a troubleshooting thing I'm telling you. I think you'll be able to connect. In case you are not, send me a message in the comment and I'll try to help you. Cool. So that's it for this tutorial. Very cool feature. Try to use it. It will help you a lot. Bye bye.